Check out this beautiful brick fascia. HOA made us do this. Just the front had to match the home. There's a lot of HOAs coming up. HOAs are starting to become a lot more common in Texas. We're slowly adding in the brickwork. There should be more purlin. Welcome back. This is Adbeel from WolfSteel Buildings, and check out this beautiful brick wall that we did here for this 24 by 24 metal building. So if you've been watching our channel, I did a tour on this project when it didn't have the brick. It was just a 26 gauge PBR panel that we use standard for red iron projects, and we installed this brick wall on the front. And so this video is about HOA requirements and the rise of HOA in Texas. HOA made us do this. And so let me give you guys a little bit of a background. So for our client, we're here in Joshua, which is my hometown. And Joshua required that the front, or what was facing the road, had to match the home. We could use any materials for the building, just the front had to match the home. And if you look at the home, it's got the same brick material, okay? And so our client said, you know what, well, it has to match, the home. So you're looking right now, the brickwork we did matches very, very well with the home. All the buildings around this neighborhood have the same thing. It's like a metal building they have, and then they have a fascia, or like a veneer wall that matches their home. And so why was that? Well, that's the requirement of Joshua, and it wasn't the permitting department, it was an HOA. Well, I need to verify, but I think it was both. So here in Texas, what's happening right now, and we've been noticing, and that's why we wanted to do this video, is that there's a lot of HOAs coming up. That's Homeowners Association. And so they are now obviously trying to protect the properties, trying to protect the community, and making sure that there's certain rules and guidelines of what to do and what you can't build in the property. We've gone through where you can't build over a certain square footage, you can't build over a certain height, you have to have certain materials. Sometimes they don't even allow metal at all. Sometimes they require brick or brick wainscoting. So HOAs are starting to become a lot more common in Texas. And if you're looking to build a metal building, to save you time, I recommend to look into your HOA. Not just the permitting, but also your HOA. What are those requirements? What can you do and what you can't do before you even start shopping around? That way it saves you time in regards to not having to look for something that you can't do. What makes us unique is that we're general contractors, so we'll around a metal building. Anything about a metal building, we'll build it around. Our client said, you know what, well, I need brick, and we definitely helped them out with that. So that's what we did here, and we did in a nice, beautiful brick fascia. Check out our concrete that we did. We did the concrete as well. And again, don't forget to check out our tour on this project. So we just matched everything around the home of our client. Now for brickwork, we only offer it in select areas, typically around Dallas-Fort Worth, where we're close by. We do serve all of Texas. For brickwork, we're only doing select clients at this point, and we're doing it locally in Texas. We like to really check and understand exactly what we're doing when it comes down to our brick, making sure that we're building it to code and building it nice. So we're slowly adding in the brickwork, but you can see here, we do a great job of vetting our builders. We have the holes here for any water seeping out from the back to come out. Call them weep holes. If you check out some other video, we do have how the installation went. We did all the brick ties around the inside. The doors are currently locked, but the inside we do reinforce the wall with more purlins, and those purlins are so that way it can hold and retain with the wall, or the brick wall. So when you do get a brick wall, especially if you're going to go all the way around, there should be more purlins installed on the building than without the brick wall. And we did do it over the panel. So there is a 26 gauge panel in the back behind it, and just the brick in the front. Super nice and clean. We could have put a trim around it, but I felt like it wasn't necessary. Alrighty guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you guys information to really save you time when it comes down to HOA and kind of be prepared. So don't forget to also check out our permitting video. It has a lot of information in regards to permits here in Texas. And our host Cassandra on that video did a great job. So we're gonna have the link in the description. And also if you're looking to get add brick onto your metal building, reach out to us. We're definitely open to helping you out. We are servicing only select areas, but reach out to us. We do consider certain projects and just depending on the scope. But anything in regards to a metal building, we're here to help. I'll see you guys in the next video.